Okay, let's do a hello world. The input, easiest way is to input, and then you can inside of the parentheses, inside of the bracket, you just need to have the question you want to ask, for instance, the name, and then this will be the input that you get. It will be by default, I think, is a string, and you can convert it to the format that you want. For instance, this will be a integer. And for output, one of the easiest way is just stack all the string together and convert whatever is not string to a string. And there's a few way of formatting. It's like age is like that, and also first one zeros one. Then this will become egg and spam, and this will become 1 and 111, and this will become, see, like food refers to this, adjective will refers to this, so become this spam is absolutely terrible. Another useful thing is if you have really long like float, you can have certain digits to preserve only certain digits to print out. That's how you do it. That means like 3 digits float, and to format. And for more information on formatting, you can check on this. And for general input and output, you can check on this website. And let's look at how it runs. Max 25. See, hello Max, you are 25 years old. Your age is 25. You are so, and then egg and spam 1 and 111. This spam is absolutely horrible, and 3.142. It actually is last 3 digits.